There is no way you haven't heard about expressions so far, but it's 2025, and as a result, you don't need to learn all the cheat codes anymore. How? I'll tell you in a bit. But first, let me clear the air by saying that expressions in After Effects are lines of JavaScript-based code that you can apply to properties, allowing you to automate tasks, creating dynamic animations, and streamline your workflow. But before we dive into expressions, I want to bring our template library to your attention. Pixflow.net is a creative marketplace offering thousands of premium motion design assets, templates, and plugins for video creators and editors like you. It supports tools like After Effects, Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, helping users produce professional content faster. With flexible subscriptions and AI-powered features, Pixflow streamlines the entire post-production workflow. Now, as I said earlier, expressions in After Effects are snippets of code that let you automate the behavior of properties. Unlike traditional keyframe animation, which requires setting individual frames manually, expression-driven animation allows for dynamic and responsive changes. With expressions, you can link properties, create automated motions, and even generate complex effects without manually adjusting every detail. Adding an expression in After Effects is so simple. Here's how to get started. Select the property you want to add an expression to, like position or rotation. Hold Alt for Windows or Option for Mac and click the stopwatch icon next to the property. The expression field will appear, allowing you to type or paste the code. Write your first simple expression, such as time *100, to animate a property over time. Now just play it to see the expression in action. Alright, now let's talk about some of the practical examples of expressions, those that you can almost use on a daily basis. For randomization, you can use expressions like wiggle to add random motion. For looping animations, you can use loop out, which has 4 types: circle, offset, ping pong, and continue. By mastering these simple expressions, you can save an enormous amount of time and effort in your animation projects. Now, let's get into complex ones. There are some animations that require a much more complex expression than the ones we know. Like the bounce effect expression, that, judging by the length of the expression, I guess the code could also be useful to bounce between different universes. But why would I try to explain this to you when there is a trick that saves you even from thinking about this chunk of code? Okay, by now you've probably gotten used to AI tools like ChatGPT for all kinds of tasks. So what do you ask it to write expressions for you based on the effect or animation you're looking for? Here, let me ask ChatGPT to write the expression for the bounce effect for me. Love it. Now, let's get one for the auto scale to audio effect. Cool. Now, let's try the dynamic typing animation. And voila. How about auto fade? Or color flicker? Delicious. Just trust the AI tools in your hands, because soon enough, it will be in your head. After that, you won't even need to tell it what you want, because it already knows. So keep experimenting with different expressions and discover new ways to enhance your creativity while you have time. Also check out Pixflow.net for a rich library of high-quality templates to speed up your editing process even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and see you next time.